Good morning and welcome to Kotak's morning call. Today we are seeing some flattish sort of activity in Asian markets, and it is mainly because of Japan's Nikkei is closed today on the back of bank holiday. Also, if we go through with other indices, then on Friday we saw one more bullish session in the US. Most of the indices closed at the highest point of the day, and it is mainly because of the expectations that the interest rate cut will start from this particular meeting onwards, which is scheduled on Wednesday, of which we have to face the outcome on Thursday. So on Wednesday, we will come to know that whether the Fed is considering 50 basis point or 25 basis point. If they go for 50 basis point cut, then it will help emerging markets to do well, because then the inflows will start coming to the emerging markets, or they will increase. In fact, in last 15 days, if we see the trend, then F has bought consistently in the emerging markets, and that has actually helped our markets also to recover from lower levels. If they go for 50 basis point cuts, then flows are going to increase. If they go for 25 basis point cut, then we may see some neutral sort of activity in this market. But at the same time, if we go through with the overall setup of the Nifty, then on Nifty we saw closing towards 24,300, 350, 25,300, 350, and the next level to watch out for would be 25,550. It's a trend deciding level for the week, and if we see the market is closing about 25,550, then it will help market to move towards 26,000 or 26,200 levels. So 25,550 is the important level, and after the event on Wednesday, if we see the market is crossing 25,550, then it will be more positive for the market. On the downside, 25,200, 25,100 and 25,000, all these levels are important. In fact, it's a buying zone for the market. Until the markets are not closing below 25,000, we are going to see some reversal sort of activity in this market. So in case if there is the strategy should be to look for adding position if there is any correction in the market. At the same time, if we see the market is heading towards 25,500, 550, then there we should look for reducing some long positions. In fact, at each important resistance level, try to reduce weak long positions. The reason is because we are heading towards extreme levels, and it is better to be invested or better to be less leveraged in this market. For Bank Nifty, there also we saw recovery, and 51,900 was the barrier. Now above that, the next level to watch out for would be 52,250 and 52,700 in next few days. So there also we are expecting bullishness till the Bank Nifty is not closing below 51,300. Finally, for other indices, commodities, stocks, metal stocks should do well. The reason is because whenever we see weakness for dollar index, we see specific buying interest in commodities, precious, non-precious. Precious metals are already doing well. Gold, silvers, they did really well on Friday, and we can expect a similar sort of activity in copper, zinc, as well as aluminum and iron ore. So that it will help our metal stocks to do well in the near term. And based on the Fed's move on Wednesday, will actually shape up the bigger trend for commodities or metals. So broadly, we need to be careful at higher levels while adding long positions, but crossing 25,550 will be certainly positive for the market. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.